हेलो एवरीवन। अगर आपको अपने सिस्टम में रिमोट डेस्कटॉप को इनेबल करना है तो जस्ट टाइप स्टार्ट बटन एंड सर्च रिमोट desktop, then go to remote desktop settings and click enable here, and then go to advanced settings and just uncheck on this setting, configure network level authentication. Otherwise this option will just require the network level authentication to communicate with you. So just click to uncheck, and as you know, 3389 is the port number for the RDP in Windows, and then just press Window plus R and MSTSC. After pressing this, just press hit enter, and you will get the RDP just like this one. So you just have to enter any IP address, and then you will be able to connect now. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.